In the previous video, I showed you how to get rid of a shadow with the magic erase button. Now, perhaps you want to use that same photograph and expand it a little bit because there's some of your canvas that needs photograph as well. Let me show you how to use the magic expand button in Canva. Perhaps this page of mine, I want the top part of this graphic to be extended, not necessarily the bottom part. I think Canva is going to fudge this a little bit too much. So we'll maybe put this at the bottom and see if we can get this top bit to be added. So once again, we're going to click on our photograph. We're going to click on Edit. We're going to click on See All to get all to the tools. Now, what we want is Magic Expand, which is under Reimagine. So we're going to do Magic Expand. Once again, this is a pro feature. We click on Magic Expand. And here we can now decide freeform, whole page, or one-to-one. Now, we want this whole page to be filled because the photograph sits at the bottom. So we're going to click on whole page, and you can see there it's identified the whole page from all the corners. And we're going to click on expand. Now, at this point in time, this may take a while, depending on how long Canva wants to have a think about it. It depends on the quality of your connection. It can depend on a lot of things. Now, as you can see here, Canva gives us 4 choices. This one is an immediate and definite no from me. This one could work. This one is also a very definite no, and this one is also a very definite no. So if we're going to go and select this one, we're going to go and click done, and that's what we come up with. Now, note that this is a little bit weird. Just go and play around with the sizing of the graphic itself. There we go. Now we can't see any weird and wonderfuls. The shadows there look a little bit artificial, but you can always fix that with an element within Canva, a text box, or anything such as that. And that is how easy it is to expand a photograph to fill a whole canvas so that you can use it without needing to add additional layers that may be a little bit confusing, for want of a better term, at some stage when the design takes proper shape. I hope you enjoyed this one. Take care.